Hi viewers, welcome to Shami Cooking Mantra. Today I am going to make a soup with ashgard. Ashgard is superfood, best detox for your body. People these days take this ashgard raw, that is having like a juice. Just we need to peel the skin and take out this part, and then only the center part we need to have. So just put it in the mixie, that is in a blender, add water and filter it. If you don't want to filter it, you can take it like that. It has more fiber, it is good for weight loss, and it cures so many problems such as ulcer and uterus problem, anything. For everything you can have this ashgard juice. But if you're not liking or if you're allergic to any kind of raw vegetable, so I am making a soup which will have the effect but only 70 to 80%. When you have this raw, it will be super healthy, but this is good when compared to any other soup. So for that I have, so this is ready. I peeled the skin, I have taken all the seeds and the center part. So only this part I have taken, and this looks like this. This can be used in your curries as well, but taking in the morning as a breakfast is super. So early morning, that is for your breakfast, you can have this soup. Ashgard is used in naturopathy for treatment of so many ailments. Even for cancer patients they give this ashgard soup. I have seen this, and also it is good as a detox. Taking like a juice early in the morning is the best. So let's start to make the soup. For that I am going to add ashgard, half a spoon of fennel seed and star anise, 1 carrot just to give a color. If you want, you can add milk and boil it, or else you can add coconut milk, but without anything I am going to do it. No milk, no coconut milk, just like this. With 5 to 6 garlic, you can add however you want. So adding water, it's a very simple dish but super healthy it is. So let it cook. If you want, you can temper it, or else after it gets boiled you can put it in a blender and filter it, or you can have it without filtering. So along with that I am going to make a spinach with aloo, which you can make it like a Italian if you want, or else you can change the spices. So it will be like a good combination for this. It is 75-80% done. Let us wait for 1 minute. For palak, I'm adding little oil, onions finely chopped, garlic 5 to 6 chopped, if you want you can add any other spices, but I am using oregano, and this will be very nice with parmesan cheese, but I am not going to use cheese. Oregano, and then pepper powder. You can also use crushed pepper. I have used sesame oil. If you want, you can add olive oil. But sesame oil is good for everything, like all dishes, you can make it in sesame oil. That is the best oil, which will be flavorful for everything and also is good for health. Now I'm adding spinach. I'm not going to saute this. I'm going to add the potatoes along with the water which it is boiled. So once it is done, we can top it with Parmesan cheese if it is your wish. Instead of Parmesan cheese, we can add a desiccated coconut or crushed cashews, which will be good for vegan. So that is the best substitute for cheese, Parmesan cheese. You can see this ashgard is cooked. So we can turn off the stove and let it cool, and then we need to blend it. Today it's going to be a very healthy kind of breakfast. For making poha, we need this roasted gram, which is already roasted. We can eat it raw. So no need to fry or cook it. I'm going to make it as a batter. It's going to be a dessert like add jaggery and poha, that is red poha. So first blend with water and make it as paste. So I'm going to transfer this to this and make poha here. So poha I have just washed. So adding the poha, about 2 handful of poha and 1 cup of jaggery. If you want, you can add coconut milk. I am using this roasted gram powder because it is very rich in protein and it is good for girls who have pains, cramps. See to that jaggery is good kind of jaggery. And I'm adding the roasted gram paste. So why I'm not using any coconut, cashew, nothing I'm going to use because sometimes coconut won't be there, sometimes cashews won't be there. In those kind of situation, we need to make some arrangements to make a nice dish. So now the poha is ready. It's a kind of dessert, flattened rice dessert with high protein, and it has jaggery, it has iron, it has this roasted gram. It is high in protein, and for that we have this spinach. This is also ready, and we can add little salt to this and turn off the stove. You can see it is finished, that is, it has done. No need to cook further. Spinach, just you can saute and have it. Now I have not sauteed, just it has cooked in the potato water. So now we can turn off the stove. Weekly once you can go for a brunch like this, and then night, and for dinner you can have some idlis or something which is steamed. When you try this, you will surely find the difference one vegetable soup and one protein rich and high fiber, that is high in iron. Everything is there in this, and we have greens. This is like a wholesome brunch for you. Now ashgard along with carrot and garlic, fennel seeds and star anise. After cooking it, we have blended, and now just adding salt and pepper, we can have it. So now I'm adding salt. I have added salt and I have diluted the soup. Just a 1 minute boil is enough. And adding pepper powder. If you have white pepper powder, you can add that. And I am turning off the stove. So let's serve it. All three is ready now. I hope this brunch will be very useful for you, this recipe, without coconut, without milk, without any dry fruit. Try this and comment to Shami Cooking Mantra. Thank you guys.